I'm walking Sugar. She's got some skin irritation and some red eyes. I reported it last week, so I hope they got onto it, but she's so sweet, and she's been here for a long time. I don't think anybody's gonna adopt her because she's a pit. They don't know how sweet she is. She just wants to be loved. She's so gentle. She doesn't tug on the leash too much. Some of these dogs are so strong that they drag me, but she never drags me. She just wants treats and love. Right, Sugar? Oh, don't bite your leash. Oh, her skin's itchy. What are you eating on? Oh, Shuggy. You're so sweet. But yeah, last week I reported green discharge from her eyes and skin irritation, but it's still here. I don't have no treats right now. Let's go get you some. Alright? Let's go walk. You can walk first and then get treats later. But she's the sweetest dog here, and I've seen her for about a few months now. Couple months. I just wish someone would adopt her. This is Sugar, and she's at the Garland Animal Shelter.